Hey, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and let me introduce you to the Bosch Series 6 9kg washing machine. Whether you're washing large loads or just a few items, this machine has got it all. First up, reliability. It comes with a 5-year warranty. That's 5 years of peace of mind knowing you're covered with a machine built to last. And because it's A-rated, this machine isn't just good for your clothes, it's great for your energy bills too. Looking at the machine from the outside, it has a stylish look, simple to use display, and if we open the door, you'll see with its 9kg wash capacity, it's the perfect machine for busy households. The key feature of this model is Bosch's clever anti-stain technology, which removes 4 of the most common stains: red wine, grass, oil and blood. It automatically adjusts soak time and even drum movements to suit each stain. Short on time? With Speed Perfect, you can cut your washing time by up to 65%. For example, with Cotton's 40, it takes the cycle from 3 hours 29 to 1 hour 29 without sacrificing cleanliness. It's perfect when you need to clean clothes fast. And if you need something even faster, then we have the Super Quick 15 for smaller loads, which will be ready in as little as 15 minutes. Perfect for school uniforms or gym clothes alike. And keeping with saving time, we have a great feature called Iron Assist. This machine uses gentle steam to smooth out wrinkles. This works best on cotton clothes, cutting down your ironing pile with minimal effort. And speaking of efficiency, with Active Water Plus, the Series 6 uses exactly the right amount of water for each load, whether it's large or small. That's better for your wallet, using just what's needed, no more. The Bosch Series 6 9kg washing machine isn't just about washing clothes. It's about saving time, saving energy, and making your life simpler. With a 5-year warranty, efficiency, and smart features like anti-stain, Speed Perfect, and Iron Assist, it's the perfect addition to any home.